everyone, and welcome to my video. Today I'm showing you all how I built these shelves for less than $50. This video is not sponsored by Home Depot, but instead by whoever my parents buy gas from to drive me to Home Depot to buy 6 things in 5 trips. Not actually, but the things I used were boards, wall brackets, the screws for the brackets, a drill, wood stain, sealant, and sandpaper, and not laundry detergent. So the first thing I did was sand down all of the boards to remove all splinters and rough patches. While we're here, I'd like to shout out Natalie Bennett, whose instructions I followed to make these shelves. These are not an original design. Her video will be linked down below. Next, I stained the boards with this stain in the shade Early American from Home Depot, which I will link down below, as well as all of the other materials from this project. So first I stirred the stain with the wide popsicle stick because I'm classy, and then I applied the stain with a paintbrush. After the first coat dried, I ended up putting on a second coat to give the color more depth and dimension. They could dry completely on both sides, and then the next day I went over the boards with this polyurethane seal to finish off the boards. I used a liquid polyurethane seal, but I would actually recommend this spray version, which I didn't know about until after it was done, because the liquid version left bubbles in the boards that I'm not sure how to get out. Also, sorry for the shakiness of this footage. My brother offered to help me film this video, which is very nice of him, but let's just say he and I had different visions of what this part of the video was going to be. While the seal was drying, I measured out the part on my walls where I wanted the shelves to sit and began filling in the brackets. I used a level to make sure that both brackets were level and that each bracket was the same distance apart from each other. After that, the boards were dry and my brother helped me screw them into the wall. Next comes the fun part, putting stuff on the shelves, which, if you would believe it, is the reason I wanted these shelves. So first I put on a little bouquet of dried flowers that I had. Then I put on my mug collection. I have what is probably too many mugs, but also you could say that you can never have too many mugs, right? Now enjoy this sped up clip of a conversation between me and my brother talking about somebody else's mug collection.
I'm not surprised. I am 20 years old and I have this many. Just imagine if I were 40 or however old she is. 37.
So yeah, can't wait to be that broke Gen Zer who owns basically nothing but has a collection of like 45 mugs. Next I put on this old film camera that I got for like 99 cents at a thrift store or someplace at some time. And then I debated where to put my mug collection, the top shelf or the bottom shelf, or how to arrange it. Then I lamented my lack of foresight to put hooks on the top shelf, and then I put another candle on the shelf. And then, my favorite part, the fairy lights. Next, I'm putting on a stack of books that's theoretically what I'm going to read next, although we all know that's not going to happen. And then I'm putting on one of my camera lenses, my spare ones that I'm not using, which I really like the look of. I think it's just it gives a really nice aesthetic, you know? Lastly, I'm putting on an old vase that doesn't currently have fresh flowers in it, and that's it. And that's how the shelves turned out. I really like how the shelves look, and I love that I'm able to add decorations to my room while still having extra storage. Thank you for following along on this journey, and I hope to see you next time. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe. See you next time, whenever that is.